Learn how to create and prepare an order for new certificate of title, known as an OCTN in new Landonline dealings. Start from the instrument and roll screen of your dealing. If there is a plan to deposit to support your dealing, link that as a first step. To do this, open the Edit Reference info box and start typing the plan reference in the LT plan field. Select the plan and then select Update. Enter OCTN in the Add Instrument field and select it from the drop-down menu. To bring through the pre-allocated titles from the attached survey plan, select Link Pre-allocated Titles from Plan. Add a head title by typing the title reference in the Add Titles field. Select the title and then select Add Selected. If you need to generate a new title reference, select the Generate New Title button. Enter the amount of new titles to create and then select Generate. If your dealing has other instruments, such as an easement, you can quickly copy all the titles to the instrument by selecting the Add All Existing Titles to Instrument button. Or you could choose the Advanced Title selection to choose which titles to affect. Here you can select all, or select the individual titles. Use the filter field to quickly locate a title reference. Select the Add Title button to add another title not already in the list. Use Copy Selection to copy the titles from another instrument in your dealing. Select the drop-down arrow and then select the instrument you want to copy the titles from. Select Apply to make those changes. Turn on the Hide Unlinked Titles toggle to review your selections and make sure they're correct. When finished, select Done to close the Advanced Titles selection panel. Next, add your instrument roles and select Save to create the dealing. Now we're ready to prepare the OCTN. Select the instrument hyperlink to open the Prepare OCTN screen. The OCTN screen may have some information pre-populated, such as the new title references, the registered owners, and the legal descriptions. Check all the new title references in the Assigned Titles column are correct. If you need to add more new titles, select the Generate New Titles button. Now we need to check the registered owners are correct. This field will pre-populate if all ownership is the same on the head titles. If there is different ownership, select the correct owners from the drop-down list. If you need to edit owner details due to a pending dealing, or to add a new registered owner, such as for a vesting to council, use the arrow to open the drop-down box and select Add Update Owners. To enter a new owner, toggle between the individual and corporate icons, and then enter the owner names and any shares into the fields provided. You can add a joint tenancy structure by selecting the plus Add Group button, or add more individuals by selecting the Add Plus Row button. Select Create when all new owners have been added. If you want to edit the existing owner names, you can populate their details on the screen by selecting the relevant head title owners. Then select Create Template from the selection. Make the necessary changes. And then select Create to confirm the changes. You can copy down a selection by dragging down the bottom right-hand corner of a cell. If the legal descriptions were defined in an attached plan before linking this to your dealing, these will automatically populate here. Otherwise, you'll need to manually enter these details. Type the first legal description into the blank legal description field. For standard legal descriptions, you can populate subsequent rows by selecting an entry and dragging the corner down. This will increment each lot by 1. If you need to specify a purpose, click the arrow and select a purpose from the drop-down menu. A secondary purpose column will appear for some options such as local purpose reserve. If relevant, you will need to manually type in a secondary purpose. If there is no head title, enter the relevant Gazette or reference number into the Gazette field here. Type any additional clauses, conditions, or intent in this field if needed. Attach the relevant consent, such as the mortgagee's consent. Attachments must be in PDF. Each file must not exceed 10 megabytes, with a combined total of 20 megabytes. Once you're satisfied all information is correct, select Save or Save and Back, and you'll be taken back to the Instrument and Roles page where you can begin preparing your other instruments. Thanks for watching.